Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to convert any video into 4K or 8K video for free in Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So without for more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows operating system on my respective computer. So if you're using a Mac or Linux operating system on your respective computer, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly let me show you. I have one video here, so let me show its properties. So you can see here it's a full HD video. So if you have a standard video like 720p or like 3GP, whatever format video you are having, still the tricks will remain the same. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application named as Handbrake. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now it will automatically detect your operating system. So if your operating system is not detected by default, then you can just click on this other platforms and you can choose your respective operating system that you are using on your respective computer. So right now I'm using a Windows computer, so I'm gonna download the Windows software. So now just click on any download link in order to download for your respective operating system. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you can see here the Handbrake application. Just double click on it. So now just drag your video here. So finally you can see the user interface of this software. So I'm not gonna discuss all the features it's gonna provide. I will directly focus on the topic. Right. So here you can see your dimension. Just click on it. And here you can see resolution limit. Just click on this down arrow icon. Now here you will see 4K or 8K. So if you want to convert it to 4K, then just select the 4K, and if you want to convert it to 8K, then just select the 8K. So right now I want to convert it to 4K and rest keep it as it is. And here you can see at the bottom allow upscaling. Just enable this option, and now on the above you can see your start encode. Just click on it. So finally the conversion has completed. So you can see the output location where the converted video is being saved. So you can see here. So now let us go to this folder and check if it has really converted the video into a 4K or not. So finally you can see this is the converted video. So let us check its properties. So finally you can see it has converted into the 4K format, as you can see here. So by using this free software named as Handbrake, you can easily convert any video into 4K or 8K video for free in Windows, Mac and Linux computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool software, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.